Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Crushers. Today we're going to set up React.js in Visual Studio Code. And before we jump into downloading things, I want to quickly explain what React, Node and NPM actually are. So React, think of it like the Lego blocks of modern website. It's a JavaScript library that lets you build parts of a site, like buttons, menus and dashboards, and snap them together into full apps. Node.js, normally JavaScript only runs inside your browser, but Node.js is like power adapter that lets JavaScript run on your computer. Without Node, we wouldn't be able to use React tools. NPM stands for Node Package Manager. Imagine it like the App Store for developers. Whenever we need something like React or a library for icons or a tool for animations, we grab it and download it through NPM. Don't worry if this sounds new, because we will install everything step by step right now. So the first step that you're going to make is go to your favorite browser and you are going to search for nodejs.org. I will leave the link of this website in the video description. If you don't have Node.js, you can check that by going to CMD and you are going to type node-v. And as you can see, I already have a version of Node, and also let me check npm. And also I have a version of npm downloaded in my computer. So if you don't have it installed, you are going to click here on Get Node.js and you are going to download it here in this Windows installer. Wait for the file to download. After it's finished, we are going to install it. This window will pop up and you are going to click on Next. Click on Accept, Next, Next, Next again. And you're going to select this and click on Next. And then you're going to click on Install. Click on Yes if a window shows. It's going to take a while for me because it's updating the old version of Node.js that I already have on the computer. And then you're going to click on Finish. This window is going to show on your screen and you're going to click Enter or any button to continue. After it has been completed, you are going to open again CMD and we are going to check for the Node version. As you can see, it's the latest version. As previously it was version 20.19.0. and also let's check the npm and we have the latest version. So next you are going to need Visual Studio Code. If you don't have it, I have a video on the channel and I will also include the link in the video description so you can download it and set it up with all the extensions that you need. So for React, you are going to need some extensions and one of them is going to be Prettier, which is going to format your code, and the next one is going to be SA7. So this will be React snippets that you can use shortcodes for using pre-made code. So let's open CMD, command prompt, and here we are going to enter inside desktop so we can create the folder, and you are going to create the folder by using mkdir and the folder name react/tutorial, and we're going to enter inside the folder. And here we are going to create the React project, and you're going to do that by typing npx create -react-app and the name of the project, which is my app for in this case. You're going to type the letter Y so it can proceed, and it will start installing all the packages that you need. React, React DOM, React scripts. Let's wait for it to finish so we can get started with the other steps. So now that it's finished, we're going to open the project by using code space and dot. Click on enter, and this will open the project in Visual Studio Code. So here is the folder that it's created, my app. Here you are going to have node modules, and you are going to have the public folder, and also you are going to have the source where you are going to make most of the work, let's say. So here is app.js, and if you are familiar with the React syntax, you'll know that HTML is rendered inside of JS functions. So to start the project, we will need to open terminal inside of here, and you're going to click on new terminal. So we are inside of the folder, and we are going to get inside of the project cd my-app. So to start the project, you are going to type npm start, and the project will start, and it will be in your local host. And here is going to be the front end of the project. And that's it. We installed Node, npm, and VS Code and set up our first React app. Since this is only my second video after being away for a while, I really want to thank you for sticking around. I'm back, and I will be making more beginner-friendly tutorials. And also let me know what you would like in the next video, or if you want me to build something with React. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. This is Martin from Code Crushers. See you on the next video. Peace out.